Today, we've got a quick and easy tutorial for you. How to change your username on Twitter or X account using just your mobile device. So, let's get started. Step 1. Alright, the first step is to open up your Twitter app. Locate the familiar blue bird icon or black X icon on your home screen or app drawer and give it a tap. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will open up the menu. Scroll down and find the Settings and Support option. Click on it and then click on the Setting and Privacy option. Step 3. Now that we're in the settings, look for the Your Account option, which should be right at the top. Click on that to open it, and then navigate to Account Information. Here's where we'll find the option to change our username. Step 4. Perfect, we're almost there. You'll see the username option at the top. Click to open it. In this section, you'll find your current username displayed at the top. To change it, simply type in your desired new username in the second box labeled New. Step 5. As you type your new username, keep an eye out for a small green indicator. This indicator will let you know if the new username is available for use. It's a handy way to check if the username you're considering is already taken. Step 6. Once you've chosen an available username, all that's left to do is tap on the Done button. With this final step, your new username will be updated on your X account. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to change username on Twitter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.